Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work out exercise 6.2 first main from the chapter factorization for 8th standard. This is also available as exercise 14.2 for NCERT syllabus of 8th standard. The question is factorize the following expressions. In order to factorize the expressions which are given in this main, we need to use the identities. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you see in this identity all are plus, and in this identity there is plus minus sign and plus sign for a minus b the whole square. In order to solve the problems from this main, you should also know the squares of numbers. We have already learnt squares of few numbers, you can see on this hand side. So we know 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, and so on. It's better that you know till 25 square. So let us start and solve the problem. So the first problem says a square plus 8a plus 16. So how do we solve this problem? A square plus 8a plus 16. In order to solve this problem, we should use one of these identities. Since the question has plus, we are going to use the first identity of plus and plus. You see here, there are three expressions which are here on the right hand side. So the answer which we are going to get is in terms of two expressions. So we have to get answer in this terms. Okay, so let us start. How do we solve this? A square is nothing but a square itself. Okay, like the square root of a square is a, plus we have to bring in this form 2ab plus b square. So we are going to write 2a. So here also we have a, we are going to write first term as a only, into b. We don't know what is b. So in order to know b, we should know whose square is 16. So see here, whose square is 16? 4 square. 4 square is 16. So instead of 16, we are going to write 4 square. So this becomes our b. A remains a itself. B becomes 4. So here 2ab, we are going to write 2a into 4 plus 4 square. Understood? We have used the first identity. So this is nothing but a square plus 2 4s are 8a plus 4 4s are 16. We are going to write this as expression of two terms the whole square. So this is nothing but a plus b. What is b here? B is 4. 4 the whole square. This is the answer for this question. This is how we factorize this question. I hope you have understood. A square plus 8a plus 16 is a plus 4 the whole square. Let us move on and do some more problems from this main. So the second question is p square minus 10p plus 25. In order to solve this, which identity do you think we will use? There is a minus sign and plus sign. So we are going to use the second identity. Okay, we are going to use a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to get three expressions we have. We are going to get answer in two expressions the whole square. So we are going to write this as p square minus 2. See, 2ab. So here a it is, here p it is. So 2 into p into b. What is b here? To know b, let us find whose square is 25, or what is the square root of 25. So you see here where 25 comes here. 5 square is 25. So we write here 5 square. So our b has become 5. So instead of b, we write here as 5. So p square minus 2 into p into 5 plus 5 square. This is nothing but p minus 5 the whole square. This is how we work out the problem. Okay. So p square minus 2 into p into 5 plus 5 square, which is p minus 5 the whole square. Which identity we have used? We have used second identity. If you want, you can write here using identity a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us work out the third question. 25m square plus 30m plus 9. So since it is plus plus, we are going to use the first identity. So what is, whose square is 25, or what is the square root of 25? So we can see here 5 square is 25. So we are going to write the first expression as 5m the whole square. Because 5 5 is 25, m square is m square only. Plus 2 into a. This becomes our a. So it is 5m into b. What is b? So what is square root of 9? We know 3 square is 9. So we are going to write here 3 square. So 3 automatically becomes our b. So this is a, that is 5m, plus b, that is 3 the whole square. The answer to this is 5m plus 3 the whole square. We have used identity a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope you have understood all 3 problems thoroughly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Please share, subscribe. Have a nice day.